recording. What is going on, guys? My name is Musi, and I didn't post a video yesterday, but I filmed one. In fact, I made a mood board and I documented how to make it, But the reason that I didn't post it was because I wanted to take this time to make a better video. I think for me, there's a gap. Operating at 10x is definitely not just making a video every day, but it's creating content, working on something every day, building my business while working on something every day. I'm gonna try and just make 30 videos that make me proud. I want to make a video and improve upon it rather than just make for the sake of making. And I think when I made these videos about doing something, it felt way better than talking. So I think I'm gonna give myself a list of things and I'm gonna start just tackling them one by one. So here's the plan for the next week. 1 week had just passed. I looked at it and I find that sure, I've been making videos every single day, but they've been garbage. I can feel it, I can smell it. And I don't like, the whole point was to make something, improve upon it, so that by the end of the 30 days, sure, I would have built a new habit and I would have kind of gotten in the groove of making videos a little bit nicer than when I started. And that's the point. So, to make that a reality, for the next 7 days, here's my plan. I want to post a video at least on Tuesday and another one on Thursday. And I'm going to be working on it, of course, the whole week and kind of documenting my journey. If I feel too lonely, I'm going to post a video in between these days. But for the time being, 2 videos per week while still running my business, I think is going to be a great opportunity. And the reason I say sometimes I could record more than 2 videos a week, because I want to document more of my client work and share it here as tutorials, because I think I would be doing 2 things at the same time, and that would allow me to operate at an even more efficient, rate than what I'm doing right now. Lots of talking. Enough talking, more walking. I'm not gonna see you tomorrow. I will see you on Thursday. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, it's fine. I understand. The videos suck anyways. But I will keep my commitment, that I made this bracelet a couple of days ago, like a week ago. And I said that I would make a video every day. Create something every day for 30 days. 3 weeks to go, baby. Let's meet here again after 27 days. Let's see how it goes. Peace.